tey la ko Sénégalais yi yëg à l'instant tey la affaire bi génn.
c'est vrai.
léegi est-ce que buñ ko médiatiser lu woon nii. est-ce que du demee na mu demee woon. parce que lii dafa doon loo xam ni boo ko xalaat du sax ay affaire de ay gendarmerie wala police wala enquête ak ay procureur mais fait de société xoolal lii.
Zal Mbaye moo nekk nii.
lii
mooy tiktokeur bi ñu arrêté.
moo tax ma ne mbetteel du ci am lii. mbetteel du ci am parce que non lii.
mais yàgg nañ leen gis ñuy solo nii.
waaw léegi nag mooy li ma la fi waxoon rek. gis nga boo duggoon nii ci seen bu ñu def seen vidéo yi TikTok nga dugg ba commentaire ci.
See, that's the problem right
seen moroomu jigéen ñi ñoo lay tontu.
Leave my problem be. That's the problem. Let me tell you why. Yagna, as you heard, it's been going on for a long time. So obviously, what do you expect? Yagna, it's only a matter of time. Because Jara Imaji, Yagna Kugis, Jara Imaji, look at it. The image speaks for itself. The picture speaks for itself. They say, pictures speak 1,000 words, right? Pictures speak 1,000 words. Well, this picture says a lot. Donc, imagine, we've been seeing these kind of pictures of many celebrities, many guys dressed like this. And we seem to think nothing's wrong with it. Heck, no wonder why. Donc, since this has been going on for such a long time, and it's kind of been deemed okay, or it's just fashion, that's why, in a way, I can't blame no one but the actual population. The Senegalese population. Reason being is because they've downplayed these things for so many years, and throughout the years it's been pushed slowly and slowly into the norm to the point where you can't really distinguish between the two, and it's evident that this has led to what we see now in the media. Anyways,
ci ñoom lan bokk ñoom la ñuy àndal. di taalim bana mbaxal gi kenn xamul. non ma taal doy na war daal. doy na waar
mais Biram Bigué après ñu libéré ko.
waaw
alors que inculpé nañ ko pour acte contre nature.
parce que xam nga li procureur
bien que test VIH bi dafa.
acte contre nature ne dañuy à la limite day nekk flagrant délit. li tax nag ñu inculpé ko ci est-ce que du ay vidéo amu ci.
message d'amour.
waaw message. nekkate doo mën a gaam yàlla dimbali.
waa li ci Wally Seck wax nag.
waaw
Wally Ballago.
waaw
pour yow fi mu toll nii ko yebu démarqué wu de. ko yebu démarqué wu. alors leer.
parce que dafa ne l'homosexualité amul place ci réew mi dañ ko fi war a jëlee.
waaw dëgg la li mu wax dëgg la amul place ci réew mi ba ci desit ak lépp lu koy suuxat. amul place ci réew mi
képp kuy def apologie.
la loi est en train de changer.
dama ne
jël nañ ci ay ndogal.
góor jigéen amul place ci réew mi ak lépp lu koy suuxat. nañ dimbale xale yu góor yi ñu góore. dimbale jigéen ñu jigéene.
di wax wax yi
man loolu laa ciy dolli.
ak colka gi tamit.
waaw.
donc su góorewul lan lay def donc souvent da ngay dégg ay termes you always hear it na góore na góore na góore. What do you know what? I'm not even gonna get into it, but the point I'm trying to make is a man is supposed to act like a man and a woman's supposed to act like a woman. Now, it sounds a bit rich coming from someone like me right about now, because I got my hair done, did and whatnot, and you might judge, yes, but there's levels and there's boundaries to this. Come on, let's just call a spade a spade. I mean, in certain parts of the world, it ain't cool to have your hair braided. In certain parts of the world, it ain't cool to have long hair. I hear that. Yeah, I hear that. But what I don't want to hear is that you're actually sleeping with the same sex. That is a no-no. Each to their own, do what you want to do. And even then, if you're going to do so, if you are going to go down that path, even if you are to do so, it wouldn't be as bad if you wasn't prowling on the young and innocent, if you wasn't prowling on young youth, which is more or less the case. Because if you really look at the background of this, and you really look at what's going on here, it's unfortunate because a lot of these celebrities, allegedly, have been sleeping with young innocent boys. Some older, and some their colleagues, and some obviously of the same age. I really don't care. Really not none of my business. But the point I'm trying to make is, a man is supposed to act manly and masculine. Now, if you're with your woman, however, your woman, not your man, that's a whole different story. Do as you please. But when you're dressed in a certain way, and you carry a certain demeanor, hey.
Nelson.